Hello friends, a very warm welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can attract your lover with the help of a pen, a paper, without any ingredients. So today I'm going to tell you a very easy technique with the help of that you can get your desired person or your crush or your lover in your life forever. This love spell is very easy. I'm going to tell how you can cast this spell. Every day I'm getting lots of emails to make a very easy love spells. This love spell you can do by yourself at any time, any place, anywhere where you want to do, you can do it. And this love spell will give you result after a couple of hours. You don't have to require any kind of ingredients with you. You have to know only the name of the lover, only the name of the person that you want to be his or her friend. So what you have to write, you have to write the name of that person. For example, his name is Sam. You have to write that person's name for 5 times. Like for example, his name is Sam and John. So you have to write the name of that person, Sam, John, for 5 times. Like this. After what you have to do, you have to write your name on this paper like this. For example, your name is Rita. You have to write your name for 5 times. After writing the name of yours on the up of your lover's name, you have to write the attention why you are doing this love spell, why you want to make that person in your life. For example, if you want him to be miss you, you have to write miss me around you. If you love that person, you have to write I love you, John. You have to write it. Please don't pick up your pen while doing this love spell. You have to write as it is. I am writing I love you, John. 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 After that, you have to fold these papers towards you for 4 times, like this. After that, you have to put this paper under your pillow for 2 hours. After doing this love spell, you would see that that person is trying to come back in your life, or he or she is going to contact you, or that person wants to be contact with you. While doing this love spell, if you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us the number that is showing the top of the screen. Thank you to watching our video. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.